you made me realize that it was sort of a double-edged sword, right? Because the apple tree blossom has a specific role to play, and maybe doesn't have the same free will that we have as humans. And I know what people are going to say. No, we
I
don't have
wasn't
free
gonna
will.
say that, but I was gonna say that sounds a lot
But
like
I
free
think
will.
I think
Doesn't
maybe
isn't there?
part of the gift that we were given was to have a percentage of free will through this life, and maybe we have a purpose. But at the same time, maybe our hobby is having free will or something. You know what I mean? Maybe we get a little free
No,
will on the side, right?
I think to be good spies for God, I will insist on this metaphor because I think it's very accessible to people. To be good spies for God, we need certain higher level mental capabilities, and we developed that. We have the ability to self reflect, to think about our own thoughts. We have the ability to metacognize, as it's called technically. We have these higher level mental functions, and the reason we have them is that you need them in order to be good spies for God. Good spies have skills, right? You have to have good spy skills. So we developed good spy skills. Now, because we have these necessary higher level mental capabilities, we also have what you described as free will. You see, it's an implication of our being good spies that we have what goes under the name free will. These two things come together, and that is the risk nature has taken upon itself. If I can anthropomorphize nature, which is not a good thing to do, but in this case, I think it's useful. Nature went thinking, I need these good spies. Therefore, they need to have these higher level mental capabilities. But then they will have free will and they will be able to work against me. Yeah, but that's a risk I have to run. Otherwise, the spies are not good.
Hmm.
You
That's the
see?
cosmic conundrum I was looking
Yeah.
for.
And here we are.
You just made me believe in free will.
Thank you,
Well,
Well,
Bernardo.